Oh, hey guys, good morning and welcome to a new episode of My Life. I'm now back in Monaco. It's 5:55 in the morning. I'm having the best start to the day ever because I'm going to do e-surf in the sunrise. So that I think will be pretty epic. But it's early. Yeah. So just getting dressed now. I'm gonna head over to Fontvieille where we will start, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully we can catch some nice footage and just play in the sea and just enjoy. So let's get to it. Bright and early. It's good to wear a helmet when you're driving this thing because it's so fast and dangerous. Proper morning face. Good morning. They have now started to produce the Formula 1 track, or they already started for a while ago. You see the tarmac is completely new. And all the buildings now are starting to come again. So, and it's still like 2.5 months before it's supposed to happen. It takes time to build the track. Now we're going into Fontvieille, which is a new part of Monaco. A lot of new buildings and very residential area. Also very nice. Let's see if we can find them, because they're supposed to be here somewhere. Maybe they are up here. My god, it's big waves today. It will not be easy to ride e-surf in these waves, but the training will be good. But where are the guys? So what do you think about the sea today, Flavin? You think it's too much?
Fun.
Yeah?
It's gonna be a bit rough.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be cool.
Yeah.
Proper surfing.
Proper surfing, exactly.
Proper surfing.
Yeah. How many boards do we have? 2?
We have 1 board, so we'll go one at a time.
Are you going as well?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Cool. How is the water?
It's same as Bahamas. Whoa.
I don't think so. Whoa!
You did it!
That was a good one. So basically we had to change the port because the police came and it was not so popular, let's put it like this. But we tried. So now we're in Cap d'Isle, so we'll do some riding here at the beach, so that should be good as well, I think. So let's go. Alright. Oh, that was so much fun, just like I remembered it. But I was struggling so much to get my left foot in this one. But when I finally figured it out, it was so much fun. It's quite nice in this little bay as well. With some little small waves and
just to practice, it's perfect. But I'm tired now. So
And cold.
yeah, and a bit cold, so I think it's enough for today. But we have to go again at some point.
Yeah. When it's warmer.
Yeah, when it's warmer.
Hot days, we'll do
I
it
can
again.
just imagine like days with the e-surf when you don't need the suit.
It's the best. It's the best.
Yeah, I can
I
imagine.
rode last summer, it's the best.
Oh wow.
Like you're out of the water, tanning almost, dry, it's the best.
Just playing.
You'll do
Cool.
it, you'll do it this summer.
Woo! So fun.
I'm now in Spain, or I've been in Spain the last week visiting my nephews, which Willem is one of them, my brother and his wife, and Louis as well. And right now we're just finished training. It felt good, right?
Yeah.
Now we're full of energy. So what we are doing right now is really, really cool because we're going to a place called ADANA. ADANA. It's a dog shelter. So Willem and his family, they have taken a lot of dogs. Which has been out on the streets, you know, really struggling, and basically give them a really nice home. So what we're doing today is that we're going to this animal shelter and we're taking some dogs for a walk in the mountains. And you know, hopefully we'll you never know when you go there, because sometimes you end up actually bringing another dog home. How many animals do you have now in your home?
7 or 6, yeah.
6 animals. So that's 2 cats and 4 dogs. So it's a lot of animals, but it's really nice.
Yeah.
You know, animals are such loving, and if you can give them a great place to live, give them a lot of love, which they are very much in need of, it's a fantastic thing to do. So I'm looking forward to see it. I've never been to a dog shelter myself, so this will be a nice opportunity to really see how it is, see the animals, and hopefully give them some love. Is this the entrance? Look at this guy. So many dogs everywhere. Se på deg. Ja, så fin. Ja.
Se på de her.
Nyamin! Yeah, Nyamin! Hi, Nyamin! Hi! Kom med den!
So basically how this works is that they can find these dogs basically anywhere on the streets, people who can't have their dog anymore because of different issues, and here people come and they donate dogs. So here you can come pick up whatever, 150 euros, ready vaccinated with the passport of the dog, everything. And basically all these dogs are looking for a better home and a safe home. So yeah, you just want to bring everyone home basically. So I think they're doing a great job here to make sure they're, you know, have a safe place, and then hopefully get some good buyers and a good home in the end.
Es un corredor de carrera y está haciendo un poco de publicidad.
So you just donated, just got a dog now from
Yeah.
the donation. Fantastic.
Yeah, thank you.
That's a very, very cute dog.
¿Te ha contado la historia como han contado el perro?
No.
El polígono fue tirado.
So where was this dog found?
In the rubbish, no?
In the rubbish.
Ok, han vil vise oss noen gamle hunder som er veldig gamle, som har vært der veldig lenge.
Yeah.
Som er stykker.
Let's show me. Show me.
About 10 years old, and his found with 5 puppies.
5 puppies.
Yeah, and it was in really bad shape. It was really, really sick, with the whole leg open, like with a big wound.
Yeah.
The happy ending is that her puppies are adopted, and she's also adopted.
Oh,
so she's going back with one of her puppies.
Ah,
So
fantastic.
that's the
Para
happy
que no le
ending.
transmita ninguna enfermedad al cachorro porque
Yeah.
ella estuvo muy mal.
Now she's here to check that she's not sick. So
Yeah.
she's healthy.
Porque
All the
ella vino-
vaccinations and everything she
Y
needs.
ella viene muy nutrida y entonces queremos que esté bien fuerte y de la piel bien. Todavía el pelo está pobre, por eso falta y queremos un
Yeah.
poco más tiempo.
Needs more
Pero tiene
medical
dueño ya.
care.
Åh, han var söt också.
Dile que no está adoptado, si lo quiere.
Okay.
Oh,
It's
How cute was this dog? Huh?
For adoption.
This is for adoption.
Yeah.
You want to come to Monaco? Live the good life in Monaco? It will be difficult. How big does this dog get? How big? Is it going to be a big dog or small dog?
Va a ser muy grande o
Sí,
pequeño?
un tamaño mediano grande.
Medium
Porque
size.
mezcla
Medium
de
size.
poen- Está muy Y es muy bonita.
What's it? And what's the story with this dog?
It was found in the garbage.
This as well.
Yeah, the two of them were found together.
Both of them. Ah.
Yeah, both of them were found in the garbage bin in Estepona.
Wow.
En el polígono, en una cubeta de basura.
Okay, and they were full of fleas and really sick. And
Y
but
además-
now they're good.
Con miedo, con mordida y todo de miedo.
And they were very, very afraid. But now they're okay after they've been there for a
Y
while.
ahora es un encanto.
So her story is that she was found in a garbage trunk. Someone left her there, her and her sister, which was just now adopted. And can you imagine putting something so sweet like this in a garbage trunk? And some girl found them, so they have to actually dig into the garbage trunk to get them out. And now they're here waiting for adoption. How can someone do that to you? You're so cute. So we just took the dogs for a walk now, and you can really feel that he's a bit scared. Like if I raise my hand, he's probably used to someone who is punching him or something. So I really hope these dogs get a good home one day. So I'll really tell people to donate to ADANA, because it's all volunteer work, and they make this happen because of people donating money. So I will put in the description their website, so people can donate for a great cause and help these beautiful dogs to get a better home. You can see when you see them, they're so happy. Look at this guy. Yeah.
Have you worked there for a long time?
4 years now.
4 years.
Yeah.
And how many new dogs per day, you think, normally? Or
As I say, it depends.
depends?
Yeah,
Sometimes no dogs, sometimes 2 dogs.
For example, sometimes we can have even 5 new dogs a day or come in litters.
Yeah.
We have puppies. It increases pretty quickly the percent of new dogs. But
Yeah.
now the things are, we'll say, too relaxed. We don't know why, but we're not having many dogs in.
But is it often it's full here? That it's completely full, that you cannot take more dogs?
Well, at the moment, we haven't reached that situation
Yeah.
yet. But at the moment, you can
Yeah, you still have room. Yeah. But you're always looking for people to take
Yeah.
the dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a great experience. It was really nice to see.
Thank you.
So, big compliments to the work you do.
Thank you.
Yeah, really. So now that was ADANA Dog Shelter. Like I said, it's all volunteer work from the people here. Amazing spirits to do this kind of work for all the dogs which are homeless, need of care. So if you're ever thinking of having a dog, instead of buying you know, the dogs which are already bred. I mean, take a shelter dog. I think it's a really nice thing to do to help them. They have a really tough life, and I think when they find someone who loves them, I think the love that they will give is even more. So big compliments to them. Now I've been in Spain for a week, spending time with my brother's family, and I will head back home to Oslo tomorrow. We'll spend the week there, and then Easter vacation. So really had some really nice days here in Spain. See the weather, see the family a bit, and see the dog shelter was also amazing to see the amount of work they do. So thanks for now, thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.